In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn Clipart into coloring pages using Canva. We're going to start with a fresh page. Convert your artwork to clean black and white line work. Fine-tune the edges so they're crisp, and then export a print-ready file you can use right away. First, open Canva and create a new blank document. I recommend setting the size to 8.5 by 11 inches, which is standard letter size and perfect for home printers and classroom handouts. This gives you a predictable canvas so your coloring page scales and prints nicely without unexpected margins. Once your document is open, head over to the Uploads tab and bring in the Clipart you want to transform. Drag it onto your page and resize it so it sits comfortably with a little space around the edges. Now let's clear away anything that might interfere with clean coloring lines. Click on your image, choose Edit Photo, and select BG Remover. This tool strips out backgrounds and leftover color blocks so the subject stands on its own. Give it a moment to process. If you see tiny areas it missed or removed by accident, use the erase or restore brushes within the remover to tidy up the edges. The cleaner the cutout, the better your final line work will look. With the background gone, it's time to make it black and white. Keep the image selected. Go to Filters, choose Mono, and then pick Classic. This instantly converts the artwork to grayscale and removes distracting hues. You'll notice the overall tones flatten, which is exactly what we want for a coloring page. Next, we'll sharpen the lines. Head to the Adjust tab. Push the contrast all the way up to 100. This deepens the darks and brings definition to edges. Then, gently adjust the brightness until your lines look solid and black without blowing out fine details. If the image looks washed out, nudge the brightness down a touch. If it feels too heavy, bring it up slightly. Zoom in to check small areas like eyes, outlines, and textures. Aim for clear, bold contours and clean interiors so crayons or markers will fill nicely. When you are happy with how it looks, it's time to export. Click Share, then Download, and select PDF Print. This format preserves quality, keeps your lines crisp, and is ideal for home or professional printing. Save the file to a folder you can find easily. That's it. Thanks for watching.